How to add timestamp in YouTube video. So first, go to youtube.com and then just click on your profile here at the top right. Next is just click on YouTube Studio. Now from here, you just need to click on content here at the left side. Then look for the video that you want to add a timestamp. So let's say this one. Just click on the pencil icon. Now here, you just need to go to the description and then just type in timestamps here. Colon, and then from here you just need to add your timestamp. So let's say at 0:01, this is the start of the video, and then at 0:05, this is the end of the video, and at 0:03 is the explanation of the video. So as you can see, it's that simple. So once you're done, you just need to click on next here until you upload it, or you can just click on the save and close here, so you can just edit it later, and that's it. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.